Hi students, today this topic exercise 2.3. Find the product of the following. A 0.74 into 100, B 2.81 into 100, C 0.7 into 10, D 28.3 into 1000. This one you know how to easy method multiply. First one 0.714 into 100. This one shift to 2 times of right side. Here decimal point having here 2 zeros. So 1 2. What coming here? 0.71.4. Here decimal point having here 2 times right to 1 and 2. This one answer 71.4. Decimal here number front of 0 having no value, so 71.4. Second one B 2.81 into 100. 2.81 into 100 here 2 times, here 1 here 2, so 281. That's our answer. C 0.7 into 10. Here 1 decimal point having here 1 also 0, so this one step 0 7 equal to 7 only. D question 28.3 into 1000. Here shift to 3 steps to right. 28.3 only having. Here 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So 28 3. Here 3 only having. After did not having number. So we added 0. Total 28,300. So this like product of the following. Next question. Find the product of following. Here decimal number also having, whole number also having. So this one you multiply. First one 3.7 into 9. This one 3.7 into 9 multiply. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder 6. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 6 33. So here one decimal places are it. So here one put. Therefore answer 33.3. B question 8.75 into 1 2. Here both decimal numbers only. So 8.75 multiply 1.2. This one multiply 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 1 5 7 8. This one 0. This also 0. Remainder 1. 7 7 plus 14. 14 plus 1 15. Remainder 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 10. So this is like coming. Here 2 decimal places are having. Here 1 decimal place. Total 3 decimal places. So 1 2 3 here only. Answer 10.500. Here 3 decimal place. Here 1, here 2. Total 3. In C question 2.3 into 5.8 into 6.4. Here total 3 values or 3 decimal numbers having. First step 1. Step 1, this one multiply. 2.3 multiply 5.8. This one multiply. 8 3s are 24. Remainder 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 18. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 4 This one 3, remainder 1, 3, here 1. Here 2.3, here 5.8 having. Here 1 decimal place is having, here also 1 decimal place. So total 2 decimal place. Here answer 13.34. Step 2. Here this one free step. Here find out the one answer. 13.34 multiply 6.4. This two you multiply. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Remainder 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 4 1s are 4. This one 5. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. Remainder 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. Remainder 2. 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8. This one 6 7 3 5 8. Here 13.34 into 6.4. Here 1 decimal place. Here 2 decimal place are total 3 decimal place. Answer 85.376. So total 3 decimal place. This is answer. Next one, third question. The cost of 1 liter of oil. The cost of 1 liter oil is rupees 72.50. Find the cost of 5.75 liters of oil. Now, solution. The cost of 1 liter of oil. How much? Rupees 72.50. In question, find the cost of 5.75 liters. The cost of 5.75 liters of oil equal to rupees 72.50 multiply 5.75. This one multiply 72.50 into 5.75. First 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 25. Remainder 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Remainder 1. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 36. Another one. 7 zeros are 0. 7 5s are 35. Remainder 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. Remainder 1. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1 50. Another one. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 36. This one multiplication. Now 0 5 7 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 5 18. Remainder 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. 5 plus 6 11. Remainder 1 4. Here 2 decimal places having, here also 2 decimal places. So 2 plus 2 4. Total 4 decimal places. 1 2 3 4. So the cost of, therefore the cost of 5.75 liters of oil is how much? 416.8750. This is next question. If 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches, how many inches will be equal to 16 meter? Here 1 meter equal inches means 39.37. So you find the 16 meters. First 1 meter is equal inches. 1 meter is equal inches how much? 39.37. So he is asking 16 meter. 16 meter is equal inches. 39.37 multiply 16. This will multiply 39.37 into 16. 6 7 sir 42. Remainder 4. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 22. Remainder 2. 6 9 sir 54. 54 plus 2 56. Remainder 5. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 23. Next 1 7 is 7. 1 3 is 3. 1 9 is 9. 1 3 is 3. Here 2 9. 6 plus 3 9. 3 here 9 3 plus 9 12. Remainder 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. Now 16,992 having, but here 2 decimal places having. So 1 2. Therefore the 16 meter is equal to how much inches? 629.92 inches. Here 1 meter is equal inches 39.37. 16 meter equal inches. These two multiply. Here 2 decimal point having, so 1 2 629.92. So the 16 meter is equal to 629.92 inches. Next question. Here milkman sells 52 liters of milk at rupees 23.75 per liters. 1 liter milk of rupees 23.75 liters of water. How much money should he get from water? The milkman give to water 52 liters. 1 liter cost is 23.75. The cost of 1 liter of milk. The cost of 1 liter milk how much? Rupees 23.75. So a total 52 liters. The cost of 52 liters of milk 23.75 into here 52. This will multiply 23.75 into 52. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. Remainder 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 2 2s are 4. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Remainder 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Here 0. Here also 0. Here 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Remainder 1. 8. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Remainder 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1. So here 2 decimal places are in, here no decimal places. So here 2 decimal places, 1, here 2. So 1235 rupees. Therefore he get money from the hotel. How much? Rupees 1235. 1235 rupees. Next question. How much will a dozen oranges cost if each orange cost is rupees 5.75 paisa? Here 1 dozen equal to 12. So the cost of 1 orange, how much? Rupees 5.75. Total 12 oranges having. Therefore the cost of 12 oranges equal to 5.75 into 12. 5.75 into 12, this one you multiply. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 5s are 5. 0. 5 plus 5, 0. 10 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 plus 5, 6. 6,900 having. But here 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. Therefore the cost of 12 oranges is rupees 69. This is the answer.